Welcome to NTCL Soft. Today, we will show you how to work with Settings tab. These settings are for metric drawing. Imperial drawing is similar. In Settings tab, we have 5 sub-tabs. Common, naming convention, rebar properties, predefined block or styles and quantity table template. Let's start with sub-tab Common first. This tab is used to set measurement system, unit, model, and paper scale. For metric drawing, paper space unit, or plotted unit, should be millimeter. Model space unit or drawing unit may be meter, centimeter, or millimeter, whichever most convenient. This setting is synchronized with drawing units setting. Rebar layout and cross sections are plotted to paper with same scale value, while rebar detailed pull-out may be plotted with another scale. A drawing may be drawn in meter and measured in millimeter. Let's take this drawing as example. The slab layout is drawn in meter, therefore slab boundary is also in meter for convenience. However, dimension measurement results in this drawing need to show in millimeter. One meter equals 1000 millimeters, so we set the value 1000 for measurement scale factor of dim style. The value in Settings, Common will overwrite measurement scale factor set manually in dimension style. Every side shares the same value of edge overhang, or mesh overhang. Edge overhang value is input in millimeter. Minimum concrete cover is also in millimeter, and will be automatically converted to model unit when drawing. Click Gear button to change initial or default language and measurement system of a blank drawing. A saved drawing will have its own language and measurement system setting embedded in extended data. Let single mesh mode unchecked if your reinforced slab has 2 meshes. Here is an example of a 2-mesh reinforced concrete slab. And here is an example of a 1-mesh reinforced concrete slab. Check single mesh mode if your reinforced slab has only 1 mesh. Then app will suppress all messages asking for second slab boundary selection. The second sub-tab is Naming Convention, which helps to set layer and bar group name. You can change layer prefix to an abbreviation of your company name. Diameter symbol can also be changed. Rebar group naming pattern, or bar mark pattern, contains up to 5 variable elements and prefix, suffix, infix. Five variable elements are mesh position, rebar direction, rebar group number, bar diameter, and bar grade. Rebar group number is required in naming pattern. Prefix, suffix, infix can be placed before, after or in the middle of variable elements. Underscore symbol is not allowed. Mesh position, rebar direction, rebar group number can be shown in several different formats. Typical naming pattern should be rebar direction and rebar group no. You can see how sample bar mark looks like in the blue label under naming pattern. The third subtab is rebar properties. In this version, rebar hook is not supported yet. Select rebar standard and rebar grade to determine diameter, unit weight. Maximum rebar length, in meter, is also a reserved parameter for use in next version. Rebar length is rounded to the nearest specified value in millimeter. Inner bend diameter and hook extension length table are also reserved for future versions. This time, we only use two parameters from bend diameter table, rebar nominal diameter and rebar nominal weight. The next setting subtab is predefined block or dimension style. There are different templates for metric and imperial drawings. User can import missing block or dimension style from template, or force importing all from template to overwrite existing block definition and dim style. In contrast, block definitions and dim styles in current drawing may export to templates. For the next 2 minutes and 30 seconds, we will have a look at each block and dim style. Plan title attribute block. Section Y title attribute block. Section X title attribute block. Rebar detailing title attribute block. Spacer or link plan view block. Spacer or link side view block in Y direction cross section. Spacer or link side view block in X direction cross section. Spacer or link in detail. Dimension style for plan layout and cross section. Dimension style for rebar detailing, or rebar pullout. Section AA symbol. Section BB symbol. Annotation block for each rebar group in detail. Left side annotation block for each rebar group in layout or in cross section. Right side annotation block for each rebar group in layout or in cross section. The last subtab is for setting quantity table template. Here we declare columns and summary row for quantity table. Length format in quantity table is metric decimal with options from 0 to 5 decimal places. Each column in template is corresponding to one column in quantity table. Each column in template contains a column header or caption text, and a preset content. Column header text can be customized by user, but column contents are fixed. Click and button to add a new column. Then click left, right button to change column display order. Each summary row in template also contains 3 elements. A row description text which is customizable, a row value code which is fixed, and a multiplier or X factor which is used for unit conversion purpose. To add a summary row showing total steel weight in ton unit, just change the multiplier, in X factor column, to 0.001. Click up, down arrow button to change summary row order. All changes in Settings tab are not saved or apply, until user click Apply Settings. Click Close Settings, then select No to discard changes. Click Save Settings As, to save settings to external file. Please note that, Save Settings As, do not apply settings to current drawing. Load Settings, button is used to load previous saved settings. And also apply those settings to current drawing. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. For more information, please go to our website at www.ntclsoft.com.